The question is the niqab an obligation on Muslim women? The answer is no. The Qur'an does not mention the niqab. The Qur'an mentions the jilbab, which is covering the breasts, the figure of the woman, and covering the hair. This is by agreement of the scholars. What is the woman ordered to cover? The woman is ordered not to show her figure to those males who are not related to her. And this again relates to modesty. She's ordered to wear a jilbab, which is a clothing which covers the shape of the breasts and the figure of the female. And this also includes the covering of the hair, which is known as the hijab. Can we enforce this hijab? The answer would be no. We as individuals cannot enforce hijab upon the females. The women are ordered to carry out the hijab by the Creator. The Qur'an itself orders them to wear the hijab. And as believing women, they are obligated to do so.